Hello everyone, and welcome back to another exciting video of the Sublimation Focus. In today's video, we'll be talking about the best 3D printers under $800. Each 3D printers output impeccable prints and come with a range of features that you can leverage to bring your projects to life. These 3D printers can be used in any condition and are perfect for any 3D printing enthusiast. We all know that a 3D printer can be a great addition to your creative arsenal, and if you're on a budget, you don't have to break the bank to get one. To help you out, we've put together a list of the top 3D printers for under $800. These 3D printers are especially for users who can make the most of each feature while providing quality prints. For your help, we have also included the link to each 3D printer in the description box below so you can purchase them without the hassle. The best thing is that these provided links are updated daily to ensure you get the best deals in town. So without further ado, let's dive into our list. Number 1 is FLASHFORGE Adventurer 4 3D Printer. FLASHFORGE Adventurer 4 Pro 3D Printer is an optimistic and ideal companion for creators and enthusiasts looking for the best 3D printer under $800. This extraordinary machine introduces cutting-edge features that ignite your imagination and elevate your printing experience. Imagine effortlessly achieving picture-perfect prints with the smart 30-point automatic leveling. This genius feature ensures that every intricate detail of your design comes to life flawlessly. This printer guarantees neat and smooth first-layer line extrusion by intelligently detecting and compensating for any unevenness in the print bed. Speed demons rejoice! With its upgraded XY axis structure and lightning-fast 0.4 to 240 degrees Celsius high-speed copper nozzle, the Adventurer 4 Pro will leave you breathless. It cranks the printing speed to a mind-boggling 300 millimeters per second, saving you 40% to 60% of precious time. Want to dabble in carbon fiber materials? No problem! Cooling down has never been cooler. Thanks to the innovative dual ducts and 3 fans, your models receive efficient and rapid cooling, resulting in impeccable surface finishes. The Adventurer 4 Pro even goes the extra mile by adding a cooling fan on the extruder, turbocharging the cooling speed during printing. So if you like this 3D printer, then check out the link in the description box to purchase it right now. Number 2